next topic is land resources. Land resources of India. Students, इसमें हम स्टडी करेंगे कि हाउ कैन वी से दैट इंडिया इज रिच इन लैंड रिसोर्सेज, यानी भूमि संसाधनों में भारत कितना धनी है. वी विल प्रूव इट हियर. नाउ let us see. All of you know, and you also read in class 9th, that India is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of area. सातवां बड़ा देश है, and has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometer का हमारा टोटल एरिया है और सातवां बड़ा देश है. और आउट ऑफ द टोटल जोग्राफिकल एरिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वी हैव द शेयर ऑफ 2.4. अगर परसेंटेज में देखें तो 2.4% एरिया आउट ऑफ द टोटल जोग्राफिकल एरिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, उसमें हमारा हिस्सा है 2.4%. एंड एज फार एज पॉपुलेशन इज कंसर्न्ड, तो वी आर द second largest populated country of the world after China. Now, you know, our India's land is a valuable resource, and it supports flora and fauna. जैसे कि हम पहले भी कह चुके हैं कि it supports natural vegetation and the wildlife also, or animal life also. So we say it supports flora and fauna, human life, economic activities, transport and communication system. Land resources provides rich minerals, water resources, you know very well. India has widely geographical features like mountains. We have lofty mountains in the north, we have plains, and the most important is northern plains of India, that is lying between the Indus on the one end and the Brahmaputra on the other end, you know very well. And then the plateaus. Now 43% of the land area in India is occupied by plains, and these plains are intensively cultivated regions. Intensively cultivated, आप जानते ही हैं. These plains contains very fertile alluvial soil, and northern plain is an best example of such plain. Northern plains, उत्तरी मैदान. And you know, these plains are the interplay of, formed by the river Indus and their tributaries, Ganga and their tributaries, and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These plains cover 7 lakh square kilometer area, extending from Punjab to Assam, covering Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar and Assam, even the West Bengal also. These plains supports 90% of India's population, you know very well. 90% of India's population they supports, directly or indirectly, because most of the population is engaged in agriculture, and we have so many large scale industries which gets their raw material from agriculture. And you know, northern plains are intensively cultivated. Agriculture is the main occupation. So these plains are also known as breadbasket of the world. These plains are densely populated. चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं माउंटेन्स की. 30% of area is covered by mountains, particularly lofty mountains of the north, that is Himalayas. You know very well. They extends from west to east, covering around 400 kilometer area. These mountains are very rich in flora and fauna. They are very rich in minerals. They maintain the ecological balance of India. They are the source of many perennial rivers. Do you know what are perennial rivers? Which flow throughout the year. permanent source of water, like Indus, their tributaries, Ganga, their tributaries, and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The mountains also provides site for hydroelectricity. Mountains have steep slopes, and many waterfalls are there in the Himalayas, and they provides best site, best location जहाँ हम टर्बाइन फिट कर सकते हैं और वहाँ से पानी गिरा सकते हैं और बिजली पैदा कर सकते हैं और कर रहे हैं. Then they are the hub of tourism. हम कह सकते हैं कि tourism generates huge amount of employment opportunities, and Himalayas are the hub of tourism. Every year thousands, or we can say lakhs, of tourists arrives in the lap of Himalayas and enjoys the life. Another 27% area is covered by plateaus comprising of Malwa, Deccan and Chota Nagpur plateau. They are very rich in metallic, non-metallic minerals and even fossil fuels. They are very rich in forest cover. At last, therefore, students, a judicious, sustainable development of each parcel of land is essential if you want to accelerate the economic development of country. अपने देश भारत का अगर आप विकास करना चाहते हैं, उसका एक आर्थिक विकास करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको इस देश के भूमि संसाधनों का, लैंड रिसोर्सेज का एक जुडिशियस वाइज यूज करना होगा, और रिसोर्स प्लानिंग के द्वारा ही आप उसका वाइज और जुडिशियस और सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं, और यही अनिवार्य है, यही एसेंशियल है. My next topic will be your land utilization. Thanks, students.